Here's a quick tip. Why not use Studio to create custom wrapping paper for a birthday or any other special occasion? Create a new design and set the units to inches. Choose a large size, 25 inches by 25 inches for example. Don't forget to change the DPI from 72 to 300. You can create seamless designs using one of the patterns in Studio. Select a pattern and then select the Repeat on Background feature. This tiles the pattern seamlessly across the canvas. Play around with different sizes for different looks. You don't need to only use patterns though. PNG graphics can also be tiled, as well as any graphic you upload to Studio. Have fun and experiment with your own designs and combinations. Make sure to like and follow for more quick tips. Studio, go beyond ordinary.